Dr. Jane Baker Coons, and I live in Pondicherry 7 months out of the year. And my husband Douglas and I have discovered Dr. Josephine and her dental clinic a few years ago. We find the clinic beautifully modern, absolutely clean, and the staff most gracious and efficient, especially Dr. Josephine.
We came to Apollo White actually in Chennai several years ago as part of the Apollo hospital system. I, Douglas Coons, decided I needed teeth work. So I found a doctor associated with Apollo. A few years later, they changed. They developed Apollo White, and we became early customers of Apollo White. But we realized after some years we do not have to drive to Chennai for good dental care. We can get the best dental care right here in Pondicherry. And like my wife, Dr. Josephine has given us excellent service. If there's any question, it is answered and taken care of. And we are very proud of the staff and our doctor here in Pondicherry. And we encourage any of you watching this video to join us in becoming patients of Apollo White, Pondicherry.